My name is Noelle Thomas and I'm an instructor in the theater school. I teach the Survey of the Arts course, which is a global art history class that covers the entirety of art history from prehistory, cave paintings, all the way to artwork that's being done today. So the app that I'm using in my class is called the GooseChase. It allows you to create a series of missions that the students can then pull up the app on their smartphones and then complete these missions. I use the app as an actual assignment, graded piece, a part of their grade, and I have each student download the app at the beginning of the quarter. They then have the whole quarter to go to the Art Institute, check in, and complete the series of missions. So for most of the project, I'd create about 30 missions that they'd need to complete, either in one or multiple visits. So you can actually go back. If you only have an hour, you can go for an hour, you can go for a full day to complete the assignment. Each mission is either photo or text-based, and in the title of it, I would put the name of the piece that I'd like them to go find and the gallery that it was in. And then in the text part, I would put in very specific details about what to look for in the artwork, if it's a certain style of brushstroke or way of something's been put together, or evidence of damage. And then they could either take a photo of it or answer it in the text-based answer portion. Well, for example, there's a set of armor in the Arms and Armor gallery, and I just talk a lot about how it was used by the actual wearer. And then at the top of the helmet, because it's actually a fashion statement, it wasn't actually protective armor. At the top of the helmet, there's a dent. And I want them to kind of notice the details of the artwork or historical damage to the artwork. So I have them take a photo of the dent. And so it gives them the same experience as if we were to do, say, a class that met there in person, but they can do it individually and on their own schedule. I think overall the challenge was to present the material in a way that made sense to the students when I couldn't be there in person to point out, like actually physically point at things and note what they are. A lot of the feedback I've received has been very positive. There's a lot of excitement in there, and one of the missions I give them, the last mission I give them, is what's your favorite piece? And it's both a text and a photo submission, and I'll often get a selfie of the student with their favorite piece of artwork and an explanation why, and they always look really happy. They've really enjoyed the project, they've enjoyed being at the museum. In the future, I have big plans to continue using this app and hopefully find other areas of the city that I can have them explore. So I think the app can be used in a lot of different ways. It's just up to the creativity of the instructor on how to take the technology and use it.